Hi, this is meteorologist Paul Collar with your long-term forecast discussion for the period Monday night through Sunday. During this period, we're going to see an increasing chance of showers and thunderstorms with temperatures warming, and the air mass will be getting more humid as well. So during this period, the biggest impact is shaping up to be severe thunderstorms, and the period of greatest certainty for that is Monday night into Tuesday, and then again Friday and Friday evening. Less certainty Wednesday and Thursday. The other highlight will be the warmth and the increase in humidity. That'll take place beginning Tuesday and lasting for much of the week. There will be a warm front approaching from the southwest. This warm front has been keeping a lot of the showers and thunderstorms away from us, but it is drawing closer, and it'll get a bit of a kick as we head into later Monday into Tuesday. This is the 850 millibar wind flow, and we will have an increasing low-level jet into southern Wisconsin as we get into Monday night and into early Tuesday. Now this is the Buffkit sounding data, and it shows elevated instability. This is almost 1,000 joules per kilogram of CAPE above the boundary layer, and so this is the type of environment that the air mass will be looking at here Monday night into Tuesday. So there may very well be some large hail from some of the thunderstorms that develop within the warm advection pattern Monday night into Tuesday morning. Now later in the day Tuesday it gets a little tricky because the question becomes, where does the front actually lay out? This is the Craven-Wiedenfeld aggregate severe weather parameter for midday Tuesday, and it is showing from the various models some increase in potential for the possibility of severe thunderstorms Tuesday afternoon. The Storm Prediction Center has the area in a slight risk. This is from Tuesday morning through Tuesday night. And as we get into the Wednesday-Thursday period, there's some evidence to suggest that the frontal boundary will lift far enough to the north to keep the bulk of the thunderstorms in that part of the state. This is the 500 millibar pattern as we get into the Wednesday-Thursday period. The European model is in the lower right, the GFS model lower left, and the GEM model in the upper right. The European is suggesting a bit more ridging into southern Wisconsin, while the other models are suggesting we may see some ripples coming through the flow. So we can't completely eliminate the chance of thunderstorms in that Wednesday-Thursday time frame. As we get into Friday and Friday evening, things will certainly get more interesting because we're going to have a very dynamic system approaching from the plains, and that will likely kick off a round of strong to severe thunderstorms as we get into Friday and Friday evening. We're going to want to keep up to date with that development as the week goes on. We'll fine-tune the forecast. This is again the CWAS parameters showing elevated values as we get into later Friday for the potential of severe thunderstorms. Getting into next weekend, well, there's some discrepancy in the model data, not surprising that far out. On the right, you see the European model, the left, the GFS model. The European showing dry, GFS has some showers, and then they kind of flip-flop on Sundays. So that's something that we'll refine as the week goes on. So again, the greatest threat, Monday night and Tuesday, especially large hail with that elevated instability. And then again, Friday evening, with the strong dynamics approaching and running into that very warm, unstable air. Less certainty Wednesday, Thursday, can't take it out completely. Turning warmer and more humid through the week, and that difference in the models for next weekend.